Once upon a time, in a big green jungle filled with tall trees and singing birds, there lived a kind elephant named Ellie. Ellie was huge and strong, but she had the softest heart in the whole jungle. Near Ellie's favorite watering pond lived a group of tiny mice. They were small, quick, and very curious. Even though they were little, they loved big adventures. One sunny morning, the mice gathered around Ellie. "Ellie," squeaked Milo the mouse, "we want to explore the Golden Meadow, but the river is too wide for us." Ellie smiled and gently lowered her long trunk. "Hop on," she said. "We'll go together." The mice climbed onto Ellie's back, holding onto her ears as she carefully walked through the jungle. Along the way, they crossed muddy paths, tall grass, and buzzing butterflies. Suddenly, Ellie's foot got stuck in a deep pit covered with leaves. She tried to pull it out, but it wouldn't move. "Oh no," Ellie said sadly. "I can't go forward." The mice quickly jumped down. "Don't worry, Ellie," said Milo. "We may be small, but we can help." The mice ran in all directions, calling other animals for help. Soon, birds brought twigs, rabbits pushed soil, and the mice filled the pit with leaves and dirt. With one big push, Ellie was free. "Thank you, my tiny friends," Ellie said, her eyes shining with happiness. At last, they reached the Golden Meadow, glowing with yellow flowers. The mice danced, and Ellie sprayed cool water into the air like rain. That day, they learned an important lesson. Big or small, everyone matters, especially when we work together. And from that day on, Ellie and the mice went on many happy journeys together.